with Second Wind Industries for 3 years with great people that care about safety and care about our customers and care about each other. We have jobs in every industry right in our umbrella, right under these walls. So from HR to safety to production to engineering. What's so cool about the future of manufacturing is the automation and the computers that we're going to use to be able to make things automated and make things safer, where people don't have to handle product as much as they used to.
My job title at Sharon Tube is a quality control engineer. I actually got the position before I graduated. Once I graduated, I got my degree and I continued on here at Sharon Tube. Sharon Tube is a very special company. They're very diverse. You get to work with everyone else around you. Sharon Tube is a great fit for women. You see lots of different female aspects of the company, whether it's production, out on the floor, and quality.
Right now I'm plant manager at the cold drop facility as well as the Niles facility. Safe and work, that's number one. Production, make sure the customers get their material on time, making sure the quality is on point before it ships out the door.
My current job at Sharon Tube is being responsible for the production planning and the inventory control. What's really cool about this is that I'm able to meet with the customer and go through a forecast of what they're expecting to sell and what they're expecting to receive as far as a product. In our department, we then set up the production plans and we'll receive the inventory when it is received, track all of the inventory. We have products that go into the farming equipment or automotive, or cylinders for the man lifts could have been made here at Sharon Tube.